Ingenious pocket gadgets that you should have. Clicko, the modular brushing system. Clicko is a modular brushing system designed to be the last brushing set you'll ever need. It comes with 8 different brush heads that can be clicked on and off to meet your specific cleaning needs. The brush heads are available in a variety of shapes and sizes, including a pointed head for getting into tight spaces, a soft head for gentle cleaning, and a grout brush for scrubbing tough stains. The handle is also designed to be ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Clicko was a Kickstarter project that raised over $100,000. Whether you're looking for a brush to clean your teeth, your face, or your home, Clicko has a brush head for you. With its modular design and variety of options, Clicko is a versatile brushing system that can be used for a variety of tasks. V&A Jurassic Croc EDC Gear Multitool. This is a bottle opener shaped like a crocodile's head. It was made by Vice & Anvil, a small custom knife and tool maker. While not available for purchase anymore, since it was a custom design by Vice & Anvil, it probably wasn't intended to be a full-fledged multi-tool. Given its design as a crocodile head, the focus was likely the novelty bottle opener aspect. It might not have included additional tools like pliers, screwdrivers, or even a file. EDC, or everyday carry, typically implies a compact design for easy pocket carry. This suggests the Jurassic Croc was likely keychain-sized, further limiting its potential for additional tools. As a custom design, it may not have been intended for mass production. Mantis X1 Hidden Blade. The Mantis X1 Hidden Blade is a design concept for a hidden blade created by YouTuber RawIce511. It's not a real product you can purchase, but rather a design shared online. The design uses a gear and lever system instead of the pulley typically used in hidden blade designs. This, according to RawIce511, makes the Mantis X1 stronger and quicker than other hidden blades. It's important to note that hidden blades are dangerous weapons and should not be recreated in real life. They are also illegal in many places. If you're interested in hidden blades, it's best to stick to fictional media like the Assassin's Creed video game franchise. Poy Treats. Poy Treats is a company that sells a dog treat dispenser and all-natural dog treats. The dispenser is made of aluminum and is designed to be worn on your wrist or clipped to your bag. It holds up to 15 treats and can be dispensed with one hand. This makes it a convenient way to reward your dog during training walks or anytime you want to show them some love. The treats themselves are made with all natural ingredients and come in a variety of flavors. They are small enough to fit in the dispenser, but large enough for your dog to enjoy. Nano Bag 4.0. The Nano Bag 4.0 is an ultralight reusable shopping bag that is said to be able to hold up to 66 pounds of weight while still being small enough to fit in your pocket. The bag is made from a durable ripstop nylon material and features a drawstring closure. the bag folds up into a small pouch that easily fits in your pocket or purse. It is water resistant, so you don't have to worry about your groceries getting wet if it starts to rain, and is machine washable, so you can easily keep it clean. If you're looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to carry your groceries, the Nano Bag 4.0 is a great option. Gravity Hook 2.0. The Gravity Hook 2.0 is a grappling hook that is designed to be easy to use and effective. It is made of stainless steel and has a mechanical claw that opens when it touches down and closes around whatever it comes into contact with when you lift it. This makes it ideal for retrieving objects that are out of reach, such as branches, tools, or even keys. The Gravity Hook 2.0 is also said to be durable and strong, able to support up to 400 pounds. However, it is important to note that some reviewers online say it may not be ideal for heavy-duty use. Overall, the Gravity Hook 2.0 seems to be a versatile tool that can be useful for a variety of tasks. Titanium Folding Fan. The Titanium folding fan is a unique product that combines the classic design of a folding fan with the durability of titanium. It was funded on Kickstarter in 2023 as a limited summer release. The fan is made from grade 5 titanium, which is a high-strength, lightweight alloy that is resistant to corrosion, rust, and wear and tear. The fanning material is typically silk cloth. The result is a fan that is both beautiful and functional, and that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as cooling down on a hot day or a fashion accessory. If you're looking for a unique and stylish way to stay cool this summer, the Titanium folding fan is a great option. Hunt Mini. The Hunt Mini is a multifunction everyday carry flashlight made by Septum Studio. It is small, powerful, and compact with a flashlight on one end and a tiny pry bar on the other. The Hunt Mini is a great option for everyday carry. The flashlight is bright enough to light your way in the dark, and the pry bar can be used for a variety of tasks. The Hunt Mini is also made from titanium, which is a strong and durable material. Towt. Towt is a keychain-sized power bank made by Rolling Square. It is known for being the world's smallest power bank. It is small and light enough to be attached to your keychain, making it a very portable option for charging your devices on the go. It has integrated cables with Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C connectors, so you can charge a wide variety of devices without needing to carry separate cables. It comes with a magnetic charging dock, so you can easily recharge the power bank itself. While the exact milliampere-hour capacity is not widely publicized, it is known to have a 5-volt output, which is enough to provide a quick charge to most smartphones. MYNYMAL PC. The MYNYMAL PC is a mini PC designed with a minimalist aesthetic in mind. It was launched on Kickstarter by a Canadian company with the same name. The cubic computer is only 5 inches wide and boasts a sleek and stylish design that is intended to blend seamlessly into modern home or office spaces. It also comes with a remote control that allows users to adjust the lighting effect, choosing from a variety of colors. It comes with an AMD V1605B 4-core and 8-thread CPU, integrated Vega 8 GPU, 8 gigs to 32 gigs of RAM, 250 gigabytes to 2 terabytes of storage, and an Intel AX210 Wi-Fi card with Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.1. Users should be aware that the MYNYMAL PC is designed for basic tasks such as web browsing, streaming media, and productivity applications.